Hey, it's Coach Nini here. Super excited. I get asked this question so much. How are you making money every day with the AI twin? So I decided I'll do this training where I'm going to break down my exact business model. Okay, so let's get into it. So, one of the things that I'll say that I don't see people talking about enough is how simple this is. It's not complicated at all. You only need two things. Number one, you need a product that people actually want. That's it. And number two, you need people to sell that product to. That's it. Everything else is noise. So, everything that you decide to do, if you decide to start this process, just remember that you need a product people want. So, you always need to try to make sure that whatever you're selling is something that people want, and how you're talking about it is in a way that speaks to what people want. Okay. And then number two, the people to sell to. So we put content out so we can attract people who want this product. Everything else is noise. My AI twin helps me do both. And my AI twin helps me do this without ever turning on the camera. So it avoids burning out, and it avoids having to be on the computer all day every day. So I'm going to show you how, okay? So first, let's talk about the products that I sell, right? So I make money from two different types of products. Number one are my digital products. These are courses and programs that I've created based on my own knowledge. So, for example, I have my Twinfluence course, which teaches people how to design, train, and market with an AI character, right? Another type of product I have is my AI Income Society, which is a school community that's considered recurring money. So, every time someone joins that, that's recurring money every month. I have SSB, I have Sellable in 7. These are all things that I know how to do, right? So because I've been online, let's talk about Sellable in 7, for example. Because I've been online creating digital products for over 15 years, I took everything that I learned in the last 15 years and created a course called Sellable in 7 that shows people how to do what I've been doing, which is step by step creating an AI, a digital product with AI. Okay, now with AI. So essentially what you're doing is you're creating product based on your own lived experience. If you have any diplomas, if you've done anything in your career, if you have something that you're passionate about. I have people who have created courses on teaching biracial parents how to do their children hair. I have people who've created an ebook on how to crochet. Okay, so it really doesn't matter. Maybe you organize things, you cook a lot, maybe you're good at communicating. The idea is you create a digital product. Okay, the second way that I make money is through affiliate products. And this is basically tools and stuff that I use daily. I share it with people. And honestly, most people, they're doing this every day. Every time you call your mom, you call your brother, you call your husband, you call your best friend, and you say, "Oh, girl, I've been using this." That is considered affiliate marketing. You're just not getting paid for it. You're sharing freely, which is great. But I share affiliate products with my audience. And when people buy through a link, I earn a commission. So that means I don't even have to create this product or this tool or anything. I am just sharing what I've done or what I'm using, and people are buying. Okay. Now, what I love is that you don't have to start with your own product. So this is something that people don't talk about. I've been doing this a really long time. When I first started, I did not start with my own product. 15 years ago, I started with a $5 checklist that I purchased. It was an Instagram checklist that I purchased for $5. I added my stories, the tools that I was using, my top tips to it, a couple of pictures, branded it, and sold it for $10. I did not start off with from scratch. You know what I mean? I needed something. And I feel like that's what affiliate marketing is. You start with affiliate marketing so that way you don't have to wait to earn, right? And you can start marketing and making money while you build out your own product. Either way, it works. So now let's talk about the people, okay? AKA your audience. So this is my 3-step system. Step one, I post content with my AI twin every day. My AI twin shows up in the visuals, so I don't have to be on camera. I'm sharing my value, my stories, my education, my results, and this builds my audience. Step two, when I share my content, I tell people to comment a keyword. So something like twin, right? For maybe a free training, like the same training that you're watching. And when they comment, that's a single that they're interested in. Okay. Step three, this is my back end system. The back end system does the selling. So I use a tool called ManyChat. And so when someone comments that keyword, ManyChat will instantly deliver to them the free training or the link or whatever I promised. And from there, they can buy. And so that is how I am earning passively. I'm not chasing people. I'm not manually sending links. I'm not, overworking every day trying to get this done. The only thing I'm doing is posting that content, scheduling that AI twin content, and my system does the selling while I sleep and while I live my life. Okay. So here's what this looks like in action. So I post daily, right? That's my visibility. My audience comments a keyword. That's engagement. ManyChat sends them the next step. That's automation. They buy. That's income every single day. This is how I went from $0, okay, $0 to six figures in 7 months without ever turning on the camera. And it is way simpler than you think. So, what do you need to learn to build this for yourself? Number one, you need to learn how to design, train, and market with your AI twin. That is what I teach you inside of Twinfluence. Number two, you need to set up your content strategy and your ManyChat system. I actually give you my system so you can plug and play it into yours inside of Silent Success Bootcamp. And then number three, when you're ready, right, you need to learn how to create your own digital product when you're ready to go that route. And that is what I teach you in Sellable in 7. You do not need to do all three right now, but this is the full blueprint. In AI Income Society, that's our implementation playground. That is where I support you as you take action through these steps. As I said before, this is not complicated at all. It really is just a system. You don't need a huge following to do this. As a matter of fact, when I started Faceless Marketing in 2024, I started with some videos that I bought off Etsy that wasn't even me. When I started using my AI twin at the end of 2024, going into 2025, again, I started to use my twin and I just started to post what I was doing. Oh my goodness, y'all, I generated an image and it looks just like me. Look at this. And from me doing that, people are like, oh my goodness, how are you doing this? And so that's why I love this, because you don't need a huge following. You don't need to be on camera. You don't need to go viral. You don't need to chase people. You just need a product people want. You need people to sell it to, and you need a system that's going to do the selling for you. And my AI twin handles the visibility. I handle the strategy. My back end handles the sales, and you can do this too. Okay, so I want to welcome you to Twinfluencer Marketing. If this is something that you want to do, click the buttons below, or you can look in the guide that you got with this training to join us. Most people start off with Twinfluence, but if you have an AI twin or character created already, then I would suggest coming into the school community so we can guide you through the next step. In the AI world, it's easy to get overwhelmed because there's so many products, so many courses, so many tools, so many tips. And AIS is where I'm able to help you take the action in the right steps so you can get to the results in the quickest way possible. Okay. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this training and I'll see you in the next one.